before I teach you all these Excel hacks, I want to show you how the good data should actually look like before you process it, before you can actually use all these tricks. I want to teach you the mindset of good data, how good data looks like and what you should take care about. I will also show you red flags, which in my opinion indicate a bad data quality. Bad data quality doesn't mean necessarily or only that somebody was too lazy. Usually it's more like the guy has lost control over the data. In most of the cases, you see that these Excels evolve over time. These Excels are 2 years old, maybe 5 years old, but this is usually a very big problem because all the people who get the data depend on that. And that's why I'm saying that good data quality is really crucial. Nevertheless, all the red flags I will show you, and if you're able to get rid of these red flags, that's very good for you. Many things depend on that. Reports depend on that. Other people depend on your data. And if you're making a mistake, maybe some project gets cancelled or the company loses 200,000 euro. You never know. And of course, even if not, I speak for myself. I want to make a good job all the time. And I guess you also want to make a good job.